Christmas, everyone. It's Gary Denstool at Tweetsie Fudge Works. Today we're rolling out our Christmas treats. The special treat today is our Chocolate Peppermint Fudge. We make our chocolate fudge the same way we always do. We start with sugar, corn syrup, a little invert sugar, and our heavy cream. That's what makes it really rich. We cook it up to a certain temperature, take it off the fire. We add just a little bit of vanilla to spice up the chocolate flavor. We add some marshmallow cream to give it that rich, fluffy texture. Then we add our deep, dark chocolate that turns it into our chocolate fudge. The last thing we do is the magic ingredient. We add the ground up peppermint candy canes. We pour it out on the slab. We put a little extra ground up peppermint candy canes on the top to decorate it. And it tastes just like Christmas. It'll make everybody merry and bright. So this is Gary Denstool at Tweetsie Fudge Works. Thank you for watching. And I hope each and every one of you have the merriest of Christmases.